We humans are made to stay in motion. So, simply because we are made to stay in motion, we get this sense of reward and we get this sense of feeling good only when we think that we are doing something. When we are not doing anything, we start feeling boredom, we start feeling lonely, you know. I mean, simply because we are made to stay in motion, we get the sense of reward and the sense of feeling good only when we are doing something. So, what happens many times in our attempt to do something, unknowingly, we begin putting ourselves into things which, instead of doing anything good to us, harms harms us and brings losses to us. I mean, see, simply because we are made to stay in motion, whenever we are not in motion, we begin thinking as if we are not doing something. So, simply because whenever we are thinking we are not doing something, we begin feeling a bit afraid also, thinking as if we are not doing something. So, simply because we are not doing something, we are not going somewhere. So simply to get this sense and the feeling of doing something, what we do what we do many times, we go ahead and involve ourselves into things which are not helping us, and instead of helping us, which are harming us and bringing losses to us. And we keep on thinking and we keep on feeling as if we are doing something. So simply because we are getting that high by doing something, by keeping ourselves busy, by getting ourselves involved into doing something, simply to get that high which we receive whenever we are doing something, we go ahead and mistakenly and ignorantly and unknowingly involve ourselves into things which bring losses to us, which harms us. So, what I'm trying to tell you is that, first of all, not all the things which we involve ourselves into help us and bring profits to us and benefits us. Many times we go and involve ourselves into things which harms us and which brings losses to us. So this is something very important. You must understand that not everything we can go and involve ourselves into and begin doing will bring profit and benefit to us and will do something good to us. It may also bring losses to us and it may also harm us. So this is one thing which you need to stay aware of. Second thing is, you need to begin making very conscious choices in your life, simply to get a high, simply to make yourself feel high. You cannot go and begin involving yourselves in random things, because very unknowingly you may put yourself into things which will bring harm to you, instead of doing anything good to you. So simply to get that high that you are doing something and you are busy and you are in motion, you cannot keep going and keep involving yourselves into things which bring harm to you and which bring losses to you. So you need to begin making very conscious choices in your life. Anything you are planning to and you are thinking of involving yourself into, you need to choose it very consciously, after thorough research, after giving your brain into it, after researching where it is going to take you into, whether it is going to bring losses to you or profits to you, whether it is going to harm you or whether it is going to do something good to you. You cannot keep on going ahead and involving yourselves into random things only to get that high of being busy and of doing something. No, you need to be cautious and you need to be making conscious choices in your life. So, before involving yourself into anything, stay cautious, step back, and put your brain into it, think over it, do the research of it, whether it is helpful for you or not, whether it is going to bring losses to you or harms to you, whether it is going to bring benefits to you or whether it is going to uh, bring losses to you. You need to do your research before involving yourself into something, and also which direction it will help you take to, whether it is going to help you take you in a better and upward direction in the coming future or not. This thing also matters. Whatever you are involving yourself into, whether that thing is going to help you take yourself to a better and upward direction in the coming future or not. You need to ask all of these questions, and you need to thoroughly research on all of these points before involving yourself into anything, because obviously you will keep on getting that high of you being busy, of you doing something, but in the end eventually you will find out that instead of doing anything good to you, you have done some harms to you, and instead of benefiting and profiting you, you have brought losses to you. And whatever you chose to do for yourself, it did not take you anywhere better in your life. You have not reached to something better. You have not reached to something better in your life simply because you got yourself busy into doing that thing. So all of these questions matter, and to find the answers of all of these questions, it is very important that before involving yourself into that thing, you research on these points, and you very consciously and cautiously test and research what all answers of these questions you are going to get from that particular thing. And only when you get positive answers on all of these questions before involving yourself into that particular thing, then only you go ahead and involve yourself into that thing. Because I'm telling you, many times simply to get the high of being busy and of doing something, we go ahead and bring losses to us, bring harms to us, and eventually many times we find out that we have not reached anywhere in our life. We are still stuck on that level only, in spite of working hard, in spite of involving ourselves into it, in spite of wasting our time, effort, and energy into it. We are still stuck into that level only. That particular thing which we chose for ourselves could not help us level up, could not help us reach to another next level, another next level into our life. So it is very important that you ask all of these questions and you do a thorough and proper research of that particular thing before involving yourself into that thing. And on this note, I also want to give you one more advice. Many of the people on internet, especially motivational guru, keep on giving you advice of being proactive, but I am somebody who is suggesting you to be a laid back and to be a little passive. I'm not telling you to be fully lethargic and dull, no, and fully unambitious in your life, no. But it is better if you are not proactive, because your proactiveness may put you into risky things. Your proactiveness may bring losses to you. Your proactiveness may put you into things which, instead of doing anything good to you, may bring losses to you and may do harm to you. Simply because of your proactiveness, you did not research properly, and you did not try to find out the answers of these important questions, that whether it is going to bring losses to you or whether it is going to bring benefit to you, whether it is going to do good to you or whether it is going to do harm to you, whether it is going to help you to take you to somewhere in the coming future or not. simply because you were proactive, maybe because you've been following some motivational guru on the internet. You may eventually find out that instead of doing anything good to you, you have done some harm to you. Instead of bringing profit to you, you have brought losses to you. So I am telling you, do not be proactive. Understand me when I am giving you this advice. I am not suggesting you to be lethargic and dull and unambitious. Be ambitious, be energetic, but be a little laid back and passive personality. And before jumping yourself into anything, ask these important questions and do a proper and thorough research to find out the answers of these questions. And only when you find out positive answers of these questions, only when you find out that this particular thing is not going to harm you, at least, then only you go ahead with it. Or otherwise stay back. Otherwise do not waste your time and energy and effort into putting yourself into anything which is not going to do anything good to you, and which is not helping you to level up in your life. And this advice also applies in case of women. What happens many times, because of our proactiveness, we go and jump ahead. We go and jump ahead and put ourselves into wrong women. I am telling you, boys, there are so many women out there who has made it a business to first lure men with their power of S, and then once they trap the men, once they succeed in trapping the men into them, they begin blackmailing the men. They begin extorting the men for expensive things, for money, and for many illegitimate demands they begin making to this man after luring him in and trapping him with the power of S. So, boys, even in the case of women, it is better if you follow, or if you be a little laid back and passive personality, and before jumping ahead into women, as soon as any woman begin throwing bait to you and begin showing affection to you, instead of immediately jumping into it, you better stay back and first test what kind of woman is this and what her real motives are behind the affection which she is showing to you. I am telling you, if you will be a little laid back and passive personality, you will be able to protect yourself from these oversmart women who has made it a business to first lure men with the power of S and then to blackmail them for expensive stuff. So even in case of women, it will help you to be a little laid back and passive personality. Do not be proactive in case of women. First test what are the real motives of this woman. Why is she showing this much of affection to me? And only when you come up with positive results, positive answers of these questions, then only you go ahead and involve yourself with this woman. Otherwise, stay back, keep yourself safe and protected from these oversmart women. And your laid back and passive attitude also works in your favor when some when some good woman is testing you to find out whether it is safe for her to involve herself with you or not. Even in that scenario, your proactiveness would backfire you and spoil your opportunity with women. Even women want their safety, and simply because they want their safety, before involving themselves with random men, they first test the men whether it is safe for them to involve themselves with this man or not. And even in that scenario, your proactiveness will backfire you, because your proactiveness and activeness may give an impression to the woman that you are an emotionally unstable man, somebody who does not have a strong control over your emotions. And women simply do not want to put themselves into any problem and trouble for something romantic and for something as well. So your proactiveness may backfire you even in that scenario. If you will go and begin showing your activeness to the woman, This woman may begin fearing you. This woman may begin getting scared of you. This woman may begin thinking you are an emotionally unstable man. You are somebody who does not have good enough control over your emotions. And simply because this woman will get this impression through your demeanor and attitude that you are not an emotionally stable man, this woman would begin getting scared of you, and she will pull herself away from you, and you will kill your opportunity with this woman. So even in that scenario, if you are a laid back and passive personality, you will be able to give a very positive impression of you to this woman, simply because of your laid back and passive personality and attitude. You will be able to give an impression to the woman that you are a man of strong emotional control, somebody who has very strong control over his emotions, and somebody who is resilient in his attitude and in his personality. This is what your laid back and passive attitude would do. It will work in your favor. The woman is testing you to find out whether it is safe for her to involve her with you or not. And if you stay passive and laid back, you will be able to give a very positive and good impression of yourself, of you, very positive and good impression of you on this woman. This woman will be able to get an impression that you are a man of strong emotional resilience. You have very good and strong control over your emotions, and it will work in your favor. This woman would begin giving you opportunity, thinking that it is safe for her to involve herself with you. So even in that scenario, your laid back and passive personality works in your favor, will help you. So do not listen to the motivational gurus. I am telling you, always before jumping yourself into any action, into any job, into begin doing anything, stay back, put your brain into it, do the proper research, and try to find out the answers of these questions, that whether it is going to help you or not, whether it is going to benefit you, or whether it is going to bring losses to you, whether it is going to profit you, or whether it is going to harm you, where it is going to take you into in the coming future, whether this thing, whether involving yourself into this thing is going to help you level up or not. So you need to step back and stay passive, and you need to begin finding out the answers of these questions. And only when you find the positive answers of these questions, you go ahead with it. Otherwise, stay back. Do not waste your time and energy into anything which is not going to help you. And it is same in case of women also. You need to stay back and first thoroughly test the woman, whether she has positive and good attitude towards you or not, whether it will be safe for you to involve yourself into this woman or not. And your laid back and passive personality will also help you in making a positive impression of you on this woman. So do not listen to the motivational gurus on internet. I am telling you, it is better if you are not proactive. It is better if you are laid back and passive. Be ambitious, okay, be energetic, be active, be on your toes, keep on always looking for opportunities for yourself. But still, with all of these traits, also be laid back and a little passive. Do not be proactive. Do not keep on jumping on everything which is coming before you, because most probably, instead of doing something good to you, you will bring harms to yourself, and you will bring losses to yourself by involving yourself into that thing. Not everything is going to help you, not everything is going to profit you, not every woman is going to have good and positive intention and motives towards you. So you must understand all of these things. This is why it is very important that you turn yourself into a man who has his brain running all the time and everywhere. You never go and begin forming decisions and taking decisions and going with choices in your life merely on the basis of your emotions. No, you must be a man with brains. and you must be using your brain everywhere before fully involving yourself into things. You are running your brain, you are putting your brain into it, you are using your brain. And only when you find out positive results after doing your proper research, then only you go ahead and involve yourself into that opportunity. This way you can keep yourself safe from bringing losses to yourself, from bringing harms to yourself, from putting yourself into unnecessary troubles and problems. So boys, be a man of brains. Always keep your brain running instead of forming emotional decisions and going with emotional choices. Keep on making pragmatic decisions in your life and keep on going with rational choices, and do not be proactive. Be a little laid back and a passive personality, and always getting yourself fully involved into anything. Know that more than the high which you feel simply because you are involved into it, simply because you find yourself doing something, instead of putting any importance into that high, put importance into your welfare and well-being, put importance into your benefits and profits, more than the fake high which you receive only by being emotional and uh, only by involving yourself emotionally into something. It is better you focus on your profits and benefits. It is better if you get the high of receiving rewards by helping yourself benefit and profit through something and by doing something. So focus on being a man who is doing good to himself and bringing profits and benefits to himself. And you do it by being a man of brain, by not just jumping into anything or everything, by not being proactive, by being a little laid back and passive personality, and keep on first putting your brain into everything. And only when you find out positive answers into those things, then only you go ahead with it, and then only you go ahead and involve yourself into it.